The automet system, developed by ML-Tech, is fully capable of accurately laying out wind tower attachments using welded bosses. If the initial design information is double-checked and correct, the system will always produce an accurate layout. This system is a one-person operation and doesn't require any layout marking. Instead, you can tack weld the bosses directly to the tubular structure. Since the layout can be performed at any orientation, there's no need for scaffolding on larger tubulars. The control points on the system allow you to rotate the tubular into the best position for the layout process. This ensures that attachments are correctly placed before coating and the final fitting of items such as ladders and cable trays.